Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Solve Treadmill E4 error. Here you will see I'm at the official website of Reddit where the people spread their opinion regarding this. One people says that motor should not be falling like this unless they are defective. It now sounds like you need a motor controller. I'd suspect the running but tension is too high, or it is on a shared electrical circuit in your home, competing for power with something else. Now we could walk through the diagnostic and troubleshooting process together if you like. Or I've searched out a highly rated local service tech and have from diagnose it. Unfortunately, with Sol being mass produced, their preferred service tech are not always the highest quality. And here you will see the another people says that of course, to my knowledge, only a defective drive motor or high belt tension will cause the drive motor to fail within the first couple years. You want to running belt as loose as possible, just tight enough it does not slip during normal use. Definitely best to loosen if a load. Then tighten intermediately during workouts as needed. You can always tighten a belt when it slips, but you can't undo the damage from a tight belt. So you will need to consider this thing. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.